How are we getting in?
Their shields have a fractional refresh rate. Keeps anything traveling slower than light speed from getting through.
We're making our landing approach at light speed?
All right, Chewie, get ready. And now! I am pulling up! I get any higher, they'll see us!
Sir, she was not found in Hangar 718, but all troops are on alert.
Put every hangar on lockdown. She's going to try to steal a ship to escape. Han Solo.